Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the initial checkout video of a really cool yellow Princess telephone, and this is the touch tone model. And this is Angela's telephone from Oregon. And basically this telephone on the initial checkout here, this is a shop cord. This is a handset cord that we're going to be installing on this telephone, because when this telephone came in, Angela had this black cord on here, and it is pretty frayed around the edges, as you can see. And she's complaining of this telephone cutting out and doing different things, but I can see why. And basically all the connections on your modular ports and on the line port in the back of this telephone all need to be cleaned also. So we're going to be going through that. We're going to replace this black modular cord, and it's no wonder that it has a black modular cord on here, because you cannot, these yellow cords are very hard to find. You know, there's people that say they have them and then they don't have them, and so they're very hard to find, and you just can't walk into a store that carries handset cords generally and walk out with a yellow cord. These are pretty sought after, they're hard to find, and this is some new old stock that we have in the shop here, and basically we will be using this cord. On the initial checkout, we do have dial tone, but she says some things come and go on this telephone, and I'm trying to give you some dial tone there. But basically what this is we're going to just be checking the phone out, going through some different things, and repairing this phone. Right off the bat, I noticed something that's kind of a small crack here. It's in the body, and it runs, trying to give you a good view of that. That can be repaired pretty simply. What we're going to do is stabilize that crack. These yellow phones are highly sought after, and they're really cool. And this one hasn't been painted. This is an original. So some of these were taken back into the factory and refurbished, but it's a really cool telephone. And basically what we're going to do is go through the keypad, the network, and this one has I'm going to pull the keypad. We have that loose. I'm going to pull the keypad up real quick. And as you can see on this one, we have a light in this one, like most of them do, and it requires a transformer to run these lights. And a lot of customers really don't care to even have a light, and others don't really care how you light it, as long as it's lit. And since the old transformers that ran these old lights consumed a lot of power, and the whole circuit would get hot, including the transformer, basically what we're going to do is we're going to be installing super bright LEDs with a transformer, and so that requires less power consumption, and it just is a better situation altogether. And that way, you know, these light bulbs work for a long time, but they don't have the life as an LED would. LEDs last much longer, they use less power, and they can burn out too, but chances of this light bulb giving out before the LED is much higher than the LED burning out before this light bulb would, and it consumes way too much power. So basically we're just going to be going through the telephone, making sure the hook switch and everything is cleaned, making sure all the connections are fine, and that the bell is fine, and installing our modular handset cord here, and then working on the circuit for the LEDs, and we'll probably point an LED up this way for the keypad, and then another one on this side where the light bulb was. Now we're going to leave the light bulb in the circuit. We're going to leave the plug in the circuit because we don't want to, you know, if you ever want to go back to an original situation, we still have everything there. So I see guys sometimes they'll do conversions and then they'll take everything out and then it's not there if you ever need it or you ever want it. And there's no reason to take it out. We're just going to go around that situation and no longer you know, have that activated. So basically we'll do another video of this telephone once we finish up and kind of give you a look at what's going to happen. I'll just kind of set that on top there, give you a look at the conversion itself and the light. And this is a really cool telephone. These yellow telephones, we get a lot of calls on these. People really like them, and they're really neat. So they're pretty sought after. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Angela's telephone from Oregon, and it's a really cool Princess Western Electric telephone. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.